Timer's ticking. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started. Yo! Guys, I'm 2 days from going insane. We're back in the insane market. We're just going to jump on in, guys. Guys, today, we're going to talk about aliens, food, and how Jordan is going to go insane in about 2 days if Bitcoin doesn't move. I'm 2 days, guys. 2 days. 2 days. Mike made a funny joke in the chat. He said, Jordan definitely said to Maya today, he definitely said, I don't know how much longer I can do this. I said that before, but that was last time Bitcoin was going sideways for a long time. But I have said that before. Not this time, though. Anyways, Crypto Shock, what's going on, buddy? Bear guts. Holy shit. The market's just waiting for Jordan to go insane, and then it's going to do whatever it needs to do, whether it's going to pump or dump. Who the freaking knows? I said Satoshi doesn't even know at this point. You know what I'm saying? Like, Satoshi is sitting there laughing at all of us every day, going from it's so over to it's so back to it's so over to it's so back, just like 3 times every single damn day. Today was no different, man. Anyways, let's jump on in. Kennedy said Tino promised aliens. Remember that? That was funny. That was funny back in the day. Remember when we were promised alien invasion? What's going on, guys? It's your boy Tino. Yo, happy days, guys. So we got an alien invasion coming on. All the other FUD hasn't worked, so the alien invasion is now going to dump Bitcoin back down. that was funny, man. Anyways, that was like the worst British accent in the history. I am so bad at British accents, bro. I'm only good at the Italian ones. Why? Because I do Horse Guy every single day. You know what I'm saying? Big Bird, what's going on, man? Chewy said the Golden Cross is happening right now. Nice, Chewy. We got the Golden Cross. Anyways, we had CPI today. So CPI came in lower than expected. You basically saw everything else do well. You saw the stock market go up. You saw gold go up. And you saw Bitcoin. Well, to put it quite frankly, you saw it. Sharp. Not just take a shit. You saw Bitcoin sharp. Now, is this all a psyop? Okay, is this all a big trick? Is this early Halloween? I hope so. I hope we're all getting early Halloween. But anyways, you didn't really see much from the Fed change in here, so that didn't change, even though we got lower than expected inflation at 3%. So Bitcoin took a shit. Stock markets made new yearly highs. Gold got a big pump today, and Bitcoin, once again, just took a shit. So that's about where we're at, fellas. Anyways, Bitcoin did come back down today. We're back at this like little local trend line. It's just up and down, man. I think at this point, I'm going to zoom out, okay? At this point in the market, and I think I've sort of said this over the course of the last few days, but man, I think it's important to zoom out. Just really, we got to wait for a break of the range, right? Because we're stuck in this $1,000 range. This has to be the tightest daily range I've ever seen for Bitcoin for this amount of time. It's absolutely insane. And like we talked about this morning, man, these daily Bollinger Bands are getting tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter and tighter. At this point, these Bollinger Bands are turning into a damn virgin. That's how tight they're getting in here. A damn virgin, okay? I made a joke. I don't even think Clint's little frickin' pecker can fit in here soon. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't even think Clint's pecker could fit in this little daily Bollinger Band. How tight this thing is getting, man. All right. Soon, this thing is just gonna get so tight where it's gonna freaking like explode his balls in here. You know what I'm saying? Like, but that's what we got going on, man. It's just really, really tight consolidation. At this point, we're kind of just waiting for that breakout. At this point, man, that's really what we're doing. We need to see a break at 31.4. We need to see a break at 30K on some type of daily close. Until that happens, this is all pointless and meaningless price action. It is so dumb. Oh, man. Anyways, you know I had to make that joke. Clint's going to come in here and be like this. Clint's going to come in and say, but Jordan, what happened to your Wyckoff? You're just going to talk about Wyckoffs the whole stream, aren't you? Get out of here with your damn Wyckoffs. The only thing you're doing is whacking off later. I'm just waiting for Clint to be coming in and talking like that. Anyways, like I said, guys, we're just going sideways. Waiting for whatever we need to do in here. For me, I've sort of said short term, who the frick knows. I think we got option number 1, which is the 2020 price action where we just kind of moon up. I wouldn't count that out just yet. And also we have the 2016 price action where we did see a pullback in this phase before we finally grinded our way up, which took a little while to the upside, right? So I'm cool with either one. If you want to sell me some BTC at $28,000, I'll take it off your hands. But it doesn't seem like, at least yet, anyone wants to sell me any BTC at 28K. Because they don't really want to sell me BTC at 30K yet. So, like, I'm waiting patiently, man. Shane said 23 months as a member. Big move up before 24 month. 2 years for Shane? Holy guacamole. We got to play a song for Shane, man. Chewy, why did you retract your message, bro? What did you put in there? You start talking about, are you starting the alien talk early today? Is that what you're doing? You're starting the alien talk early today, bro. I know that's what you're doing. But shout out to Shane. And today, what we need to do, my guys, okay, is we need to play a little bit of this for Shane. He might be the oldest member. Is there anyone else who can top him with 23 months? I don't know. "23 months, boy." That's crazy. Wait, hold on. How were you even a member for 23 months? I don't even think we had members 2 years. Wait, what? Oh no, I think we did. I don't even think we had memberships 2 years ago. It's been 2 years? Holy shit, time goes by fast. I'm getting old. No wonder my hairline's slowly depleting from my head. One follicle at a time. Holy shit, I'm getting old. Man, I hope I live long enough to see the AI downfall of Earth in about 5 to 10 years. All right, we'll talk about that later, though. Shout out to Shane, though. Stumbledore said, and once there was a girl who had birthmarks. Oh my god, what am I reading right now? And she couldn't quite explain. They always just have been there. Still in my head. Stumbledore, what are you talking about, bro? like what? Is it Bitcoin chart that's making me go insane, or is it Stumbledore's super chat here? Man, Stumbledore, I appreciate the super chat, man, but what are you even saying? I feel like maybe it's Bitcoin that's making me go insane. I don't know. You know what I mean? Crypto Shock got 23 months, baby. Let's go. Crypto Shock also got 23 months. Shout out to Crypto Shock. Yeah, he said like and subscribe, nerds. We're all nerds, man. We mean nerds in the nicest way. Okay, we'll talk about the AI takeover of the world in about 20 minutes. Sound good? But anyways, yeah, Bitcoin's still consolidating in here. I guess the one thing I will say is I know the first thing people will kind of point to is, and a few different things in here, is two different types of patterns, okay? And I'm going to be honest, the way I'm looking at this right now, I feel like I'm being psyoped. Maybe I'm overthinking it, though. The way I'm looking at this price action is you got bearish diff, okay? You got higher highs with lower highs on market cipher, okay? You have some bearish divergence on the daily, on the weekly time frame. You also have this, like, I mean, say it however you want. You got kind of this, like, left shoulder forming. You got a little bit of a penis forming up here, and then a little bit of a right ball. This ain't Clint's. This ain't Clint's. I think this is freaking, I don't know whose this is, but we'll call this Crypto Shocks, all right? You got kind of this forming. We'll see if this continues down like this, but we got maybe a little cock and balls pattern forming up here. And I know the other thing people will say is the classic diamond pattern. You gotta love the diamond pattern. I love when the diamond pattern starts coming out and we're just like, the diamond pattern, it is here. And we've had this a few times for Bitcoin in the last like 6 months. We had one right here. We had one right here that actually broke to the upside from an upside move, which usually this is a reversal pattern. But this one broke to the upside right here. And then we also had one, I believe in the small time frames, we had one up here as well. The way I'm looking at this is interesting, right? Because we've seen this consolidation before. But at the same time, there is some bearish signs in the charts. So, like, I feel like I'm being psyoped right now. I feel like I'm just being tricked. And that's why I feel like it's Halloween right now, bro. You know what I mean? Because while Bitcoin looks like this, okay, I also go to the DXY, which is freaking shit in its pants. The DXY is sharding right now, okay? And we talked about the list a little bit this morning, but whenever the DXY tends to flip negative on money flow, okay, Bitcoins tend to do very, very well during that time, okay? So if the dollar is going to continue to shoot down, I gotta think, and this is why it is an interesting point in the markets, man, because as the dollar shoots down like this is typically when Bitcoin does fantastically. But we got Bitcoin just sitting here like a frog. Like, not even like a frog, like freaking Pepe, right? Also, you got the dollar dumping. You also got stock markets continuing up. We've seen this playbook before, and that's why I'm a little bit cautious right now, because I've seen this playbook before. When is the other time we saw this playbook, fellas? Let me know in the chat. When was the other time we saw this exact thing happen where we had dollar dumping, NASDAQ shooting up, and Bitcoin not doing anything? Can anyone tell me in the chat when the last time we had this happen was? And that's why I'm a little bit cautious right now. I'm definitely a little bit cautious. I am not buying Bitcoin here, okay? I'll be buying on a pullback, but I ain't buying Bitcoin right here. I'm just going to be a little bit cautious because we've seen this playbook before. We have. I think you guys all know that when we've seen that before. Bass said first everyone tries to short the Mt. Gox sale. Then we squeezed in a 36K God candle. Let's go. Yeah, we sort of saw this playbook over here. Remember when like NASDAQ was shooting up, but Bitcoin was kind of like struggling a little bit? We kind of saw this over here. Now, eventually we sort of bounce back, and I think we're going to bounce back. It's just, dude, I feel like I'm getting psyoped right now. Does anyone else feel the same way? This is typically the time where Bitcoin flourishes, but we have it just sitting. So it is a confusing market right now, and that's why I am not really trading anything when it involves Bitcoin right now. No trades for me at all, because I do not know the short-term direction on Bitcoin if my life depended on it. Like, I can see the thing where Bitcoin pulls back to 28 and then comes up. I can also see the point where it squeezes up to like 33, deviates, comes back down, and then kind of comes up. I can see all types of freaking wiggly woos happening in here, right? So at this point, I'm sitting on my hands. I'm sitting on my nice, comfy spot bags, and I ain't doing shit. I ain't doing shit. because I've seen the diamond pattern break up, and I've also seen it break down. So let's just say how it is, man. Let's just say it how it is, and let's just wait for the damn range to break, fellas. Let's just do it. Raul said, "Give it time." Oh yeah, me too, man. Let's see. Oh yeah, Silk Road sale is what's squeed. Mt. Gox refund date begins in September. But don't they keep pushing the Mt. Gox date out? Like every time it's supposed to happen, they just keep pushing it out, pushing it out, pushing it out. Maybe I'm wrong. But I feel like every single time it's like Mt. Gox is coming, they end up pushing it out another 6 months, another 6 months, another 6 months. And it's like, dude, what the hell? Anyways, that's what we got going on. We have one upset guy in here today. We have, what the freaking hell? CPI was bullish. The stock market pumped. The DXY is going to hell. And Bitcoin does nothing. This is a scam market. What is going on behind the scenes? This is manipulation. It must be BlackRock. It must be Fidelity. It must be Vanguard. Who is suppressing Bitcoin? My long is so underwater right now. It is underwater 50%. I hate the scam market. I'm going to trade stocks. Stocks are more confident. Oh, Lord. Lord, amen. All right. Anyways, besides that, Horse Guy is currently very, 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 very underwater in his long right now. Oh, my God. From this morning. He basically longed like the CPI pump. Or not the CPI pump, but the CPI move up. And he basically just got like absolute pounds to the downside. So like, that's what we got for Horse Guy, man. He's absolutely wrecked to the downside. Yo, Crypto Shock. That's what I like to see, brother.
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
Crypto Shock coming in with the 5 gifted memberships. Should we have a party right now? I think we should. I think a small party, small party, small party. I got the Skrilla on the Rilla. I love this song, man. Dude, we need to get this song mainstream. We need to get that song mainstream, man. You know what I mean? Yo, shout out to Crypto Shock, though. You're the homie, bro. 23 months in this bitch. You guys are crazy. Shane and Crypto Shock with 23 months. I know some of you guys are pretty close to that. What was 23 months ago? August of 2021? August of 2021. That is some crazy shit. 2 years ago. Can you guys believe that the pandemic was 3.5 years ago? Like, what? Like, what? That's not even that far away. Like, how is the pandemic freaking 3.5 years ago? Like, what the hell, man? Like, time goes by way too fast. That's crazy, man. In another 3.5 years, I hope we're all freaking rich because we just made a shitload of money off crypto and we can all buy our own island. That's how fast money, fast money in crypto too. That's how fast time goes by. It goes by like this. Shit. In 2 years, who the hell knows where we're all going to be. Crazy, man. 3.5 years ago. It's absolutely insane. That's my 3rd gift of membership. Shout out to your new stepdad. Let's go, man. Clint. Whoa! Clint! Okay. We're going to play the song again. Oh, you guys can't even hear the song. Shit. You guys can't even hear the song. We got the Santa hat rolling. Clint with 20 of them. Clint coming out with 20 of them. Holy shit. Here we go. I love when he backs it up with the shit talk, too. Wait, can I show it on the screen? Here we go. He said, it's over for Wyckoff. Learn some macroeconomics, you noob. Screw the macroeconomics. I don't need to learn shit. All the LARPs were telling me Bitcoin was going to go to 8K and the stock market was going to go into Great Depression in 2023. How'd that work out for him? Screw the macroeconomics. I will not listen to macroeconomics. Hold up. Let me fix my balding hair that's slowly going to go out of phase in pretty soon. We're pushing it, guys. Like, how much longer do you think before I should go bald? I'm thinking, I think we got one more bear market. But you can definitely tell the difference between my hair now versus the top in 2021. Like, there's a huge difference between my hair now versus 2021 highs. A year and a half. I think we gained about an inch on that hairline. We were at the 0.5 retracement. Now we're at the 0.618. When we get to the 702, it's over. It's over.
Rant alert.
The damn hair. Like it's getting pretty close. Trevor said 3 years tops. Yeah, there's definitely a significant difference. Look at that, man. If we move this little hair, I use this hair to kind of hide it. See this hair? I like hide it a little bit with this hair, but man, it goes deep in there. If we're really gonna move this out of the way, look at that. Look at that, man. Holy shit. That goes deep. Look at that. That goes real deep. All right. Shout out to Clint though. He's got the best land in the game, and one day me and Clint will build an island. Okay, we will build an island together. Okay, and we will call it Tesla coin. Yes, Tesla coin. That's what we're gonna call it. All right. Anyways, besides us talking about hair and aliens and whatever, you know it's bad when you have to do a comb over to hide your baldness. I've had to do that since about 2020 actually. I think the COVID crash made me maybe even start to lose my baldness. Anyways, for Bitcoin, high term time frames, like I said, like we do have bearish divergence on the weekly, right? We do, right? We would be basically just ignoring the fact if we said we didn't, but there is some higher highs and there is some lower highs coming in here. Okay, I still feel like I'm slightly being psyoped in here though. Okay, and that's why I don't want to get overly bearish just yet. Okay, because everything else is screaming that Bitcoin should at least hold like. When I say bearish, I mean like kind of short term, but at the same point, you kind of go back to other things that we've been talking about, right? Stock market's mooning, DXY tanking, and then you also have money flow on the weekly, which is crossing to the upside for the first time since December of 2019, okay? Which was right here for BTC, which basically was after that sort of summer lull in here. Before we started to come back up, obviously we dumped for COVID, but this would have been just like the uptrend if COVID never happened, right? So we saw that first time since December 2019 that we're seeing the money flow flip on the weekly for Bitcoin, as well as we know that we've seen like the monthly MACD flip over. So we have some positive signs. Oh, it's time for ice cream. That's exactly what I need, man. It's time for ice cream. Holy shit. Ice cream! I haven't had ice cream in years. What the I thought I was this. I don't even know where I'm going with this. I'm giving up. Oh, we got more ice cream. Wow, it is ice cream. I am happy again. Mom, can we go get some ice cream? I want the Spider-Man one with the gumballs as eyes. We got some ice cream. Bear Guts is eating a blizzard right now. Nice, man. Nice, dude. He's eating a nice blizzard, dude. Anyways, there is just if we're going indicator wise, there's a lot of like mixed signals in here. I will say this though, okay. I still remain with the fact that I do believe that Bitcoin is going higher. My main point I want to make today is just be prepared for either direction short term. My main takeaway on overall on where we are in the cycle, though, is Bitcoin is going higher this year. Whether it's tomorrow or whether it's 2-3 months from now, I do believe it's going up, back up into this 2021 range. And all this will end up being a big deviation. The question is, do we pull back first or we go up? Man, this ice cream guy doesn't give up. Man, this ice cream guy, bro. He is in here. I kind of like this tune, though. It's a nice little... Wait, what the frick? Oh, he had Elliot became a member by himself. Let's go. Elliot became a member by himself. Wait, Clint came out with another 20? Bro! Clint, how much money did you make off Tesla today? What the This dude, Clint, is making so much money off Tesla today. Holy God. He must own the whole company. Elliot came in back, okay, by himself. So shout out to Elliot. Clint owns all of Tesla. Like, what the frick? He literally owns all of Tesla. I'm done. I don't know what to say today, guys. I don't know what to say today. He literally is Tesla. Was Clint Elon this whole time? Wait. Conspiracy theory. Was Clint Elon this whole time? This freaking guy, man. He has been fooling us the whole time. Think about all the similarities. He likes Tesla. He loves Tesla. Okay? He's kind of a prick. He likes Bitcoin. Wait a second. Something doesn't add up here. Clint has all the same interests as Elon. He knows how to program. Holy shit. He's afraid to fight Zuck. We have way too many. He's insecure about the size of his wiener. That was a good one, Beth. He's insecure about the size of his own wiener. There's something going on here. Holy shit, Clint is Elon. I knew it. Anyways, everyone who doesn't know who Clint is like, what the frick is going on? So let's move on. Shout out to Clint, though. Anyways, stock market futures up again. Not surprised. Dollar after hours is down. Not surprised. We just need to see it come for Bitcoin. But I've sort of said this. We've seen this playbook before where you kind of got everything that the whole recipe you're looking for Bitcoin, right? The whole recipe. Stocks up, dollar down. You basically got Bitcoin doing kind of the same sort of shit that it did back in 2020, as also you got the stock market approaching all-time highs. So you got the stock market approaching all-time highs. You got Bitcoin at the same level in 2020, or you basically look at this market too, right here. Both of these times, stock market was approaching all-time highs. You got Bitcoin on the verge of getting in its old 2021 range. Man, we just need the buyers to come in. And the question is, do we need to go lower first to get the buyers to come in and then push it up? Or will the buy pressure just come in out of nowhere based off maybe some random catalyst that we don't know about just yet? That is the question. We need to have patience. I know I said I'm going insane. I am going insane. But you know why? Because I've been looking at the damn 4-hour chart. When I look at the 4-hour chart, it makes me go insane. So what I need to do is just focus on this. Even on the daily, sometimes you can go insane. But man, I'm having patience. I think there's still good things coming the rest of this year. It's just a matter of time. It's a matter of time and patience, sitting on your hands and freaking just doing what you got to do. All right? But that's that. Anyways, let's talk about aliens. Screw Bitcoin talk.
Rant alert.
It's time to talk about aliens, boys. All right, who we got? Makes you... Brian said everyone bought. You think so, Brian? Everyone but you bought, buddy. Everyone did not buy because Brian Miller didn't buy. Brian Miller is literally savvy.
Nothing has changed.
Brian Miller is savvy incarnated. Like, oh Lord, dude. Let's see. Mike said we just waiting on the PPI tomorrow. We got the PP. Yeah, we do have PPI coming tomorrow. So we got some PP coming. We got some big PP coming tomorrow, guys. Huge PP, by the way. Huge PP. Oh, PP. Is it big or small? Hopefully it's a little bigger than Clint's. I love some PP. When is it coming? Tomorrow morning? Can you just make sure it's a little bigger than Clinty's? Because his can't even fit in the Daily Bollinger Bands. The freaking Daily Bollinger Bands, man. They are so tight, man. They are so tight. I'm itching for that move, man. I'm itching for that move based off this Daily Bollinger Bands, bro. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Let's see, bro. It's not penis inspection day. Listen, mine's small too. It's all good. Like a real man, okay? A real man can admit that his penis is small. Mine is small as shit.
Rant alert.
No, I would say yeah, it's small. It's small. I'm just laughing over here. Yo, Clint again? What the frick? I can't even keep up at this point, man. Clint, I can't even say thank you as far as you keep doing it, bro. Like, what are you doing, man? What are you doing? Clint Musk. Oh, God, man. I can't even keep up at this point, bro. I can't even keep up. God damn. What the frick? You said a mouthful. Like, what the frick, man? Oh, Lord. King said, got my free membership. Peace. he's just out of here. He just said, peace, I'm out of here, bro. No, that's freaking awesome, man. Listen, Clint, I love talking shit to Clint, and Clint loves talking shit to me, and yeah, Clint has been awesome to me since he started watching the channel, which I think I still remember. I always say this. I remember the first time Clint watched the channel, man, and I basically said, you have like the best name ever. You basically have an actor name. Like Clint Cook is just the epitome of an actor name. You know what I mean? Like, it's just the epitome. If you guys don't know the joke, it's epitome. I used to say epitome, but I decided to say it. I'm just gonna keep it epitome or epitome. I used to say epitome. That's so pathetic. That's the epitome. You guys were making fun of me for like 3 days for that. But yeah, Clint Cook, literally the best actor name in the world. Wayne, what's your last name, bro? He probably is not gonna tell me in the chat. Wayne, I could probably see Wayne having a good actor name too, just because he has one name. He has one name that's Wayne, basically. So if he could be like Bruce Wayne or like Chris Wayne. Chris Wayne's a pretty good actor name too. Chris Wayne. It just sounds like a star, doesn't it? Pretty badass name for real. True. Oh man. All right. Anyways, jumping back into actual stuff that we can talk about here, which I know no one really cares about this shit. We just want to see Bitcoin move. Total 3. Should I even say it today? I mean, I will, because I mean we're still doing it. But I think, you know, we're all sick of hearing the same thing. But just a reminder, I think the altcoin market is not necessarily going to moon at this current moment, but is forming its lows. So I'm looking at the ones that I enjoy, and I will be stacking the ones that I think are good for the next 6 months. Is the accumulation zone for me for altcoins is the next 6 months. If they go 5 to 10% lower, so be it. It is what it is. I'm looking to stack for the next 6 months because I do believe that we are in. Say it with me, boys. Your favorite word of the channel. Oh, please don't be saying freaking Wyckoff. You've been saying this shit for months. Nice, man. So sick of this freaking Wyckoff shit. Jordan. You guys, have you guys seen the gif of the beaver that goes Wyckoff? That's like one of the best gifs ever. It's so stupid and so simple, but it's honestly to me the GOAT meme. Is the beaver going Wyckoff? Oh Lord, but no, I do believe this is what we're doing. It's just a matter of time, right? We're gonna chop at the lows probably a few more times. It's just a matter of chopping it out and getting through this boring zone for the altcoin market. As don't be surprised if they keep just chopping for a little bit, right? Some of them will do well, some of them will struggle. That's just kind of how it is. Oh, we got some music. We got some music, boy. Wyckoff for the win. So that, I mean, this will sum up the whole altcoin market, guys. If you guys have questions basically on the altcoin market, this chart basically tells me where all the altcoins are, okay? Literally, all the altcoins, okay? Literally, I believe, is at these lows, okay? So, you know, if you have a question about Polkadot or AVAX or freaking FTM or Chainlink, this is where just basically summarization of where I think they all are, which is basically at the deep depths of the crypto abyss, at that third low, before we sort of carve our way higher, right? So, don't really need to go too deep into like individual ones. You guys get the gist. I think you guys get the gist. What the dude? Oh my God, man. All right. Bitcoin ain't pumping, but we're doing this anyways. Oh shit. Vikings! This is a boring time in crypto, but the most boring times bring the most fun times. We will stick together. During the last 6 months of this bear market, do not be broken during this time. This is when most people leave. This is when most people buy the top because they leave. Do not be that guy. You had all of last year to sell. Do not be that guy now at the last stages of the bear market. Hold strong, hold steady, and you will be prosperous in the next halving, which is only 9 months away. Fight and never give up. Oh God, I feel like I was in a movie right there. That came from the heart. I feel like I'm in a movie right now. Holy shit, I'm sweating from that. Holy shit, I feel like I'm in a freaking movie. Everyone's hyped up now. Bitcoin doing nothing, everyone's hyped. Let's go, bro. It's oh, Lord, what the frick, bro? What the frick? What the frick? It's confirmed. It's confirmed. Oh my God, man. Is there even anyone else who can do it? All right, hold on. Oh, all right. I gotta do it now. Like, this is just getting ridiculous. All right, hold on. I gotta do this now. I don't even think there's any like viewers left. Like it's gonna go to a ghost. The alien's gonna win a membership at this point. Like what the frick, man? All right, hold up. We need to get this done now. We need to get this done. I really think an alien is about to show up, bro. Like it's gonna say, "Alien from Mars was gifted membership." Hold up. Is it gonna let me do it in here? Hold up. Where's the frickin' little thing, man? Guys, we got 164 likes. Let's get those likes up, boys. We got 300, we got about 550 peeps in here, 165 likes. Let's get those likes up, boys. Man, I know the market's boring, but shit. Shit, let's do this, bro. Hold up. Clint hacked multi-chain. Oh, Lord. All right, let's do this. Let's get this shit. Neutrino unsubscribed. All right, hold on. All right. All right. There we go. Cool. All right. There we go. We got to make everyone green, boys. Everyone green. Let's make everyone green. F it. We're making everyone green today. Holy shit. I think we have frickin' like 150 memberships today. It's like everyone in here. Oh, Lord. All right. I think everyone's green now. I think so. It's a member stream now. He said it's a member stream now. Holy shit. Dude, people are showing up that weren't even in here earlier. That's insane, bro. All right. Anyways, back to what we were saying before. Man, Bitcoin's kind of holding this little short-term trend line. What I was looking at earlier, though, right? One thing, shout out to everyone that's in the stream, though. You guys are homies. But no, we come back over here. One thing that's, this is how we get herpes. All right. Basso is in here with some crazy shit. All right. One thing I will say about this, you know how we were talking about this diamond pattern in here, where we had this diamond pattern back here, and now we're kind of forming this same type of diamond pattern over here. The one thing I will say about this is, you know how we usually these are reversal patterns, but the fact that we pumped and then we pumped out of it again, we kind of had this, you guys know my favorite saying. We had 1, 2, 3 hits to the bottom of this diamond pattern before we actually broke to the upside. I think as we sort of get closer in here, because if we actually did something like this, right, and we kind of just pulled this down, as we get closer to the end of the, I'm just going to draw the right side of the diamond pattern. As we get closer to the right side, my question is, we've sort of hit this once, twice, 3 times. Can we break this to the upside? I know it's usually a reversal pattern, but to me, the crazy thing is we actually have done this before. And my question is, would it make more sense to break this to the upside, kind of like how we did this one, but then actually dump afterwards? I don't know, man. It could be interesting. But just an observation, as we have seen this price action before, which was basically back here when it was, remember this super boring, over here was super boring as shit too. This was a boring ass market over here. This is what I said to Maya. I was like, Maya, I don't think I can do this anymore. I'm going to go insane. I literally said those words. Maj, didn't I say that to you?
I don't remember.
Okay, she doesn't remember. But I did say it. I was like, Maj, Maj, if the market keeps going sideways, I'm going to go insane. It's even more boring than this. But now we got this boring market again. My question is, everyone's kind of getting a little bearish up here, right? Everyone probably building shorts at all these little local peaks. Do we smash all those shorts first and then pull back, right? If we're going to get a pullback. I don't know. So it'll be interesting to see. Once again, I don't really know, and I'm not trading this right now. I'm sort of just an observer, as they call it, and I'm letting it happen. I am letting it happen, and I am not afraid to say I don't freaking know what's going to happen in the short term. And I think more people should admit they don't know what's going to happen in the short term. I have no freaking clue. No clue. Zero. Zilch. Nada. Absolutely zero clue. All I know is the SEC probably has some FUD cannon loaded. They got that cannon boom, and they're gonna let it loose on us at any point. I already can smell it now. I can smell dirty Gary Gensler coming in like this. Oh, come on. All right, guys, Bitcoin looks like it wants to go up with the stock markets. All right, here we go. Here's what we're going to do. Okay, here we go. I'm going to go on TV. No, we still believe that Binance is doing shady things behind the scenes. We are launching an investigation into Binance and all the securities that it offers. So, get ready, fellas. Your cryptos are gonna dump, and I don't know if Ethereum is a security or not. I don't know. I'm waiting for Dirty Gary and the SEC to launch some freaking launch the shotgun at some point. You know it's coming, man. I don't think they're gonna give up just yet. Anyways, back to the homies in the chat, man. Let's talk a little bit. Let me see what weird things you guys are saying in the chat, because we're all freaking weird. You know what I mean? Like, we are all weird as shit, and we all deserve to be weird as shit. All right, we do. That's scary. Gifted memberships is a security. It kind of, I don't know, is it? It kind of is, actually. Gifted memberships kind of is a security. That's funny, man. JN said, when's FOMC? FOMC is, oh shit, hold on. I'm trying to get you up on the screen, man. Dude, what is your picture? Bro, don't tell me that's you. Oh man, if it's you, I don't know. All right. When is FOMC? FOMC is FOMC is I think it's the 20. I don't think it's next week. I think it's 2 weeks from now, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's the end of July. You know what I'm saying? Fast, that's Eminem. Yes. Oh Lord, I'm just playing around. I'm playing around, JN. Don't get mad. I listen. We're all friends over here. We poke fun at each other. That's what we do. Okay. You can make fun of my receding hairline if you want. It's going, right? It is off. It's off to the races. Oh Lord. Anyways, let's see. Who else we got in here? You look at QNT. I don't want to look at too many individual altcoins right now, man. That they're all relatively going to look the same. And like I said, that's not me picking on any individual altcoin. It's just they're all going to look the same at this point. You know what I mean? Like, they're all going to have the same chart, and I don't want to get too in deep into like individual alts. To me, they're all in this bottom phase right here. Okay, their charts might look like semi-different, but they're all going to be chopping. They're going to have good days, they're going to have bad days, but I think they're just kind of milking these lows down here. You know what I mean? So I don't want to like get too deep into like the individual alts. At least at this moment, there'll be a time and place. There's a time and place to dig deep into the individual alts. Right now, I don't know if right now is the time to be digging into individual altcoins. And that's like not being a dick, just trying to look for the interest of everyone in the stream. Probably no one on the stream wants to look at QNT or any individual altcoin, right? Some of us might want to look at Link. Probably 5 of us in here. The other 500 don't give a flying F. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? It is what it is. Clint is the prince. Clint is the prince. He is the absolute. Well, who's the king then? If Clint is the prince, who is the king? Not me. I would say I don't know who the king is. Shit. Nito said he just went all in on Link. I think Link has one of the better charts individually, but we're not going to look at it because I just said I'm not going to look at individual ones. Wayne said, "Can you look at Uranus, bro?" Why would you want to see my anus, bro? Wayne, I think you're a little shady, man. You want to see my anus? That is slightly shady, bro. I'm just saying. Now, if you want to see my anus, I want to see. Oh God, I just came up with a good joke. You want to see my anus, Wayne? I want to see your Venus. Come on. That was a good joke. Come on, you guys, let me know. Was that a good joke? Someone let me know in the chat. Oh, you can't? Oh, shit. Can't hear the cricket? Oh, I turned off the freaking sound, man. That was a pretty good joke. At least I thought it was. I love you too. Nice. Dad jokes all the way. Hook said unsubscribing because of the bad joke. Steve doesn't get it. I would understand why you don't get it though, right? I mean, you would have to be as smart as me to get the joke. You know what I mean? And not everyone's as smart as me. I'm just kidding. I'm half kidding. I'm half kidding. When will I start buying altcoins? I've already started to buy some altcoins. I bought some that I like, right? I've bought a lot of the Dino coins. And I bought in some Pepe. But I'm dabbling in. I bought in some Matic. I'm waiting for a dip. I want to get some Solana, but I'm waiting for a dip. I already hold some Arbitrum. I want to start, and as the longer we go into this Wyckoff phase, that you guys hate the Wyckoff, but we still love you. Thank you. He said it was horrible, but we still love you. Thank you, Blake Eastback. You're the man, bro. I still love you guys too. No, but the longer we go like I said, the next 6 months is altcoin accumulation for me. The deeper we get into it, the more I'll get into more risky plays. A lot of the newer coins, right? I want to scoop up. I want to make sure I have access to the new coins, because I know based off the previous markets, the new altcoins tend to perform a little bit better. I'm not gonna say the old altcoins don't perform well, but the new altcoins, the new shiny ones, tend to perform a little bit better on average than the sort of Dino coins at the later part of the cycle. So I want to make sure I'm getting into like the OPs, Aptos, right? I don't know, maybe Sui, Blur. So some of the new projects that launched in this bear market, usually those ones tend to do pretty well. But I'm being patient on those for a little bit, right? I'm not like going balls deep in alts just yet, but for the next 6 months, the longer we go, the more I'll start going balls deep in those bad boys. Balls deep with the whole giant boom right in there. Wayne said, I have no money left for altcoins. That was the plan all along. Because you only have money for Bitcoin, you Bitcoin maxi. You're just a big Bitcoin maxi, which is cool, man. Being a Bitcoin maxi is honestly way better and way less stressful. It is way less stressful to be a Bitcoin maxi. You know what I mean? Like, because when you hold altcoins, you're like, bro, like, I could wake up and that shit could be down 20%, like instantly, right? But with Bitcoin, you know, it's probably not going to dump 20% while you're sleeping. Maybe 5, 10 on like a really bad day, like really bad day. But yeah. Jordan's been listening to the crypto banter for the no, hell no. Hell no. I don't watch crypto banter. I do my own stuff when it comes to alts. I look at the Bitcoin pairs, and I just follow the narratives that played out in the past, which was new coins do better usually, and look for the ones with the good Bitcoin pairs. But yeah, now let's see. Wayne's so boring. Listen, the Bitcoin maxis might be the winners this time, man. And listen, most of my portfolio will always be Bitcoin and Ethereum. I've always said that. But this could be the point where the Bitcoin maxis actually laugh at a lot of the altcoin holders, because imagine a world, right? Let's go into the fairy tale world for a second, right? Fairy tale world. Let's go into fairy tale. Here we go. What's going on, guys? It's Gary Gensler. We have decided to pass the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF, the Vanguard ETF, and the ARK ETF, and we denied Grayscale just because we don't like Grayscale. But now we have passed all those. So anyone who is willing to buy Bitcoin can do it. Now, notice this is a Bitcoin ETF, not a crypto ETF. Okay? So just keep that in mind, fellas. Securities. Woo! Okay. And then big money might just want to buy Bitcoin, right? So and that, like, what's always the narrative? It's like you're not going to make any gains in Bitcoin, so why buy Bitcoin? That narrative might be thrown away, right? That narrative might be thrown away this next cycle. Might be, right? We don't know. That's why I'll always hold altcoins too, because there's a chance that that's not true. But yeah, there's always a thing where like Bitcoin could literally rocket up like a freaking rock star, and Bitcoin could be the best gainer in the market. I know that sounds crazy, but there's a reality in the world where that's a reality. If everything plays out that we want it to, if everything plays out, you know. Anyways, come back at the time. Woo! It's kind of creepy. We're going back. We're fast forwarding. Oh man. Then bam. True. It's okay. BlackRock is going to do a Pepe ETF. Bro, that would be dope. Imagine. We're going to launch a Pepe ETF. Let's go, man. I think you'd see aliens before a Pepe ETF came out. You know what I mean? I think you would see aliens, man. And guys, to me, it doesn't even matter if aliens are real at this point. We'll never know, because AI will take over the world before then. And we will probably, my take is we will probably be extinct before we even know that if aliens are real or not. We will be extinct before we know, right? AI will take over the world in the next 5 to 10 years. So make sure you're prepared with all your canned foods. Prepare your canned foods. After this next crypto bull market, the best investment you could probably make is a bunch of canned food. And, you know, whatever you do. I'm half kidding. I'm actually not really kidding. I actually think that's a possibility, but I'm sort of half kidding too. The best investment to make after this next bull market is non-perishable food. Book it. Book it, man. Oh, YJT said a super chat. Hold on, let me go check your super chat, man. My bad, bro. I was getting like, I think that probably was when I was hyped with the Viking, man. Like I was going off with the Viking earlier. Hope that pumped you guys up. Oh, YJT said we all gonna make it games on a bull run, max pain, no pullback. Yeah, I mean that's max pain, no pullback. I'm sure it is, bro. I mean, I've seen a lot of small cap ones. There's one that's interesting that's just been going nuts. It's SmartX, SDEX. That one has been going absolutely nuts. That's one I've been looking at because I personally think that decentralized exchanges are going to be massive in this next bull run, and there's multiple reasons I think that's true. Actually, you're getting a little bit of a pullback. As I think yesterday we said, make sure you take some profits on this bad boy. And I think you're getting a little pullback, YJT. But actually, it's more than a little pullback. It's a pretty big pullback, actually. But I think that the decentralized exchanges are going to be huge, man. Multiple reasons. I think because, dude, the U.S. is shutting down all the centralized exchanges. Qcoin just got shut down. You know what I mean? So we've seen Bybit shut down, Qcoin shut down. We've seen Binance US shut down. Bro, we're running out of options here. You know what I mean? Like if they get rid of Coinbase, I don't even know how US citizens would be able to buy crypto at this point. Other than, you know, obviously maybe slightly illegal ways. But yeah, I don't know. And I think that's why the decentralized exchanges are going to be huge, bro. Huge. That's why I want to have big bags of, you know, your Uniswaps, some of the smaller ones that I plan on getting into in the next few months. Not necessarily yet, but in the next few months. DYDX, GMX, there's some other ones too. But yeah, this I definitely want to be in the DeFi exchanges for sure. For sure. You can buy some CBDC. Nice. Don't touch my MaxC. Facts, bro. I still use MaxC too. If they come after MaxC, oh my god, that would be annoying, bro. It's like, come on, man. We really gonna have to start using DYDX? Like, what the frick? I don't want to use it, but if I have to, I know how to use it. Like shit. Hookset said Coinbase isn't going anywhere. No, I don't think Coinbase is going anywhere either. I don't think Coinbase is going anywhere. I agree. But I'm sort of just spitballing at this point. Let's see. Do you think the altcoin market can dump more? Absolutely. Absolutely it can dump more. And what I'll say about altcoins is I can stomach a little downside, but a lot of people can't stomach a little downside, right? So I bought some altcoins, right? My entries are lower, so I'm not really worried about a lot of my entries unless Bitcoin really nukes, which I don't think Bitcoin goes. If Bitcoin's gonna get a pullback, I really don't think it goes like too much lower than 28, in my opinion. But altcoins can certainly go lower, man. And that's the thing about altcoins; they can always go lower. But you got to be you basically two things. You got to be okay with stomaching a little bit of red, okay? And then number two, you basically have to know when to cut it out if it doesn't go your way. You got to know when to just cut your losses and say, you know what, I'll jump back in this later, you know? But they can certainly go lower. Certainly, man. Amrit! Jordan, your thoughts on stocks like Mare or Riot? I don't hold any of the crypto stocks, man. I don't, but I know a lot of the crypto stocks have been freaking going nuts. It is crazy because Bitcoin ain't doing shit, man. You know, but you got Coinbase rocking it up, bro. And then you had MicroStrategies is rocking it up too. Hold on, let me look at Coinbase. Look at Coinbase, man. Little pullback today. Coinbase freaking up since the beginning of June. In the last month, Coinbase I think is up 2x. Yeah, it went up 100% in the last month. Coinbase went freaking berserk in here. And I think you had MicroStrategies. MicroStrategy. There we go. Look at MicroStrategy. This thing's going berserk. It's already above that April high, right? So you got MicroStrategy in the last month. MicroStrategy is up 58%, right? So it's like, dude, you got all these crypto stocks going nuts, but then you got Bitcoin just chilling. But they're probably just catching up to Bitcoin, even though they're all kind of up more than Bitcoin over the course of this year. Like MicroStrategies this year, if you bought the low, which not a lot of people bought the low, but if you did, this thing's up what, over 3x from MicroStrategy this year, which is crazy, man. Crazy. But no, I don't own any of the mining stocks, bro. None of the mining stocks for me. Actually, none of the crypto stocks. I wish I had some Coinbase, but I don't own any of those. Kathy Woods sold a shit ton at $90. I'm sure she did. Kathy Wood has been a crazy investor lately. I don't know what's going on with her, but yeah, right here, Kathy Woods. Wait, hold on. Oh, Kathy Woods ARC. I was like, why does that have an apostrophe? I was about to become a Karen. I was about to become a punctuation Karen. Wait, what the hell? Wait, why am I a horse guy? Why am I a horse guy with Karen? Oh my god. Does that have an apostrophe after the S? And it's not even an ownership? What the hell? This is... Karen was horse guy for a second. But yeah, Kathy Woods ARC sells 135K Coinbase shares as price hits $90. She's made some good stuff, some bad stuff. She really made her name with the whole Tesla thing a couple of years ago. So yeah, Kathy Wood, man. Why does she look like a Chad in this? Like, why is her mouth so big? Like she looks kind of like a man in this picture. I don't think she doesn't actually look like this though. They made her mouth like look so manly. Look at her. Look at this. Just looks off. I don't know, man. Maybe it's just me. Anyways, let's come back over here. Let's see. These are the days everyone's gonna look back to. We're actually early this time. Facts. That JJ, you are so right, man. And that's why I try every day, right? Even if you're still bearish, I hope at least every day I can give you a little bit of sense of this is at least when you want to be paying attention to the crypto market, right? This is when you should be paying the most attention, and this is when you should be doing your research to see what you actually want to buy when the time is right for you. Maybe right now is not the time to right for you. I might disagree with you, but like this is the best time to get in this space. This is the best time to be accumulating, not when the market is already ripping up, right? So I think you guys should be very happy that you're here right now, because 99% of people, as you guys know, get in at tops. The fact that you guys are here now, you're ahead of more than 99% of people. More than 99% of people. You're ahead of like 99.9% of people in all reality. But that is facts. Absolute facts. Dan said, JJ, sell me your ADA. I don't think JJ would sell the ADA for I don't think... I always say she. Because back in the days, everyone thought JJ was a girl, but it's actually a guy. I don't think JJ would ever sell his ADA, okay, for anything in the world. Literally anything in the freaking world. You know what I mean? So, that's what it is. Latin said, can anyone else see that bearish rising wedge? I can try to see it, brother. Let's see. A bearish rising wedge. I'm sure you're going to bring a line up like this, and then you're going to bring a line up like this. I can see what you're saying, though I think you're pulling strings a little bit so far. If I see a third hit on the high, I will agree with you for sure. But the thing is, right now, we don't have that third hit to the high, right? We have basically 1 and 2. If Bitcoin spikes up again, comes to like 30, I don't know, you would have to get up to like 33, 34, 35K, and then starts coming back down like this, I think you have an argument. But I like to see at least 3 touches on both sides before I'm like, okay, we got a little bit of a wedgie here. But if we do get rejected up here again, there is definitely a case to be made for the wedgie, and that wouldn't be the most greatest thing in the whole earth here. You know what I mean? That wouldn't be great. So we'll see. We'll see. You have an argument to be made if you get rejected one more time, I think. One more time. Oh, man. Trade ADA for SNEC. I saw SNEC has been going nuts. A lot of those ADA coins have been going freaking berserk, man. There's always a rising wedge in an uptrend. True, there is. If you only have 2 touches on the top, there's always a rising wedge. Because you can draw a top trend line with 2 touches any way you want, right? Any way you want. But it's true. Dogelon Mars is going to be the the money maker. Maybe it could be. I don't freaking know. Horse guy sees the wedge. He does. Horse guy sees the wedge and he's getting a little bearish. Hey! What are they saying? That's the music nowadays, man. It's it's like, dude, you're... Oh my god. No one sings anymore, man. It's just... It's just a random bunch of sounds. There's a reason why no one listens to modern music, bro. No one listens to modern music. Modern music blows. Like, I haven't heard one good song come out in at least 2 or 3 years. It's been such a long time since there's been good music, man. Like, shit. Like, can we go back to the 90s and the 80s? Even the early 2000s were good. But I feel like in the last 10 years, man, music has been dog shit. Dog shit. Dog shit, man. You can't get much worse. Like, it's gonna get worse, I feel like. It's gonna get worse, bro. Honestly, I haven't even heard a new song in the last 2 years. That's how you know the music sucks. Because every car that goes by, oh, yep, I know that song. It's usually like Biggie, or it's usually Biggie. I had a dream. Used to mean they're not magazines. It's usually that song. Or it's, Or it's that one of those Spanish songs that gets you hyped. But yeah, man, it's always the same shit that's like from 10 plus years ago. You know what I mean? Gonna find the good stuff. Even the 50s music beats today. It does. It does, man. You have to dig to find the gems. I don't want to dig, though. I don't want to dig. Do I look like a digger? Do I look like someone who wants to basically try to find songs, dig through? Do I look like someone who wants to open up Spotify and just dig, dig, dig? No, I don't want to do that. I just want something to pop up, maybe on YouTube, and me be like, man, this is a banger, man. This is a banger. But no, you have to dig. You have to dig. It's like, dude. Anyways, I don't even know what I'm ranting about at this point. I don't even know how I started ranting about music, bro. He said Despacito.
Rant alert.
Despacito. That song, even that song was so long ago. Despacito, I think, came out in like 2015. That was like 8 years ago. Remember when that song was big? Despacito. I mean, then do it down in Puerto Rico. That was like 8 years ago, man. We got to bring back Despacito.
8 years ago, are you crazy?
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here comes the Muppets from the back. Maj is like the Muppets guy from the back. That wasn't 8 years ago, you idiot. You guys know those Muppets. Those you ever go on that? You ever go to Disney or Universal? I forget where they're at. They're at one of those, and they have the Muppets show, and they have like the Muppets guy in the back, the two old guys just yelling the whole time, just making fun of all the Muppets. Oh Lord, the Island Girls. Yeah, what happened to the Island Boys? Those they were popular for like a year. The Island Boys, man. Dude, it's how you know, like, what is going on with our world? How are the Island Boys popular? The Island Boys, bro. Anyways, dude, I'm gonna I'm gonna stop it there. Anyways, guys, I think where's the crypto fear and greed index at? Where are we at? 57. How are we still in greed, man? I do not believe this. Sentiment is dog shit right now. I do not believe that we are at greed, man. I guess we are. I guess we're at greed. I guess people are feeling greedy. I just don't think people are feeling greedy at all. I don't know. I completely disagree with fear and greed index, but that's just me. Fear and greed's at 57 apparently. I will disagree with fear and greed index though. And yeah, Bitcoin's trying to get a slight little move up. Nothing crazy here. And yeah, man. Bitcoin's right in the middle of the range. 30,500, which Clint calls for every day. He's been right every single day. The best TA you can do is say Bitcoin's going to go sideways. So you know what I'll say? I would say I think Bitcoin's going to go sideways for eternity. And we will come back in 2024 and Bitcoin will be at 30,500 for eternity, fellas. All right? Anyways, what did I have here? Oh, no. All right, we'll look at that tomorrow. I'll save that for tomorrow. Anyways, Mr. Hart's feeling pretty greedy. Mr. Hart's feeling pretty greedy. It's BlackRock greed? Oh, shit. Shit, man. Auto-tune ruined music? It did. When they started coming out with auto-tune, that's when music went downhill. Like, it was basically like the T-Pain era. Ever since, like, the T-Pain era, music has been over, man. Over. Ever since T-Pain. You know, when he starts singing, I fell in love with a stripper, she rock and she roll and she roll. And you guys remember that song back in the day? Ever since that song came out, it's been over for the music industry. Anyways, guys, on that note, I'm going to end the stream here. And I'll be back tomorrow to talk more crypto and hopefully another move in this crab market. But if I had to guess, we probably are at 30,500 tomorrow again too, guys. So pucker up. Get ready for more 30,500 action as we talk more music and food and aliens and AI and yeah. All right. Anyways, guys, I'm out of here. Catch you guys tomorrow. Have a fantastic night. Don't do anything I want to do. Don't panic sell your crypto. Most of all, don't panic sell your crypto. But most of all, don't panic sell your crypto to freaking BlackRock. All right? 9 months before the halving. Don't be that guy. Don't be that freaking guy, bro. All right? Peace.